Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 2006 5 Series BMW. They changed the Vanos solenoid. You see, we have one here, and we have one here, and those are contributing. Like when the computer sends signal here in this, it will open, and oil will go to change the cam, and the valves. Functions for engine performance, and they are located all the way here. You see, this is one, and the other one is there. Intake and exhaust, or am I right? So you tied it already, and this is a connector, right?
Yeah, this is the connector.
Yeah, okay. So what code do you have when you change, or you change the whole engine already?
Yeah.
And this is how you take them out. Don't break it, okay?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. At least we have to know where they are located. There's two of them there. This is a quick information to have this. And my name is, my best friend is there. He's the one that doing. He changed the engine and he changed the spot. Please subscribe, share, and like.